Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Multani Journal Passage number 2. Get ready. Start. The education system, it must be borne in mind, does not function in a vacuum, full stop. It is a part of the social economic system that has multiplied the material aspirations of the people, since the sky appears to be the limit where their ambition is concerned, full stop. Particularly, the educated class stands exposed to this phenomenon, whose ambitions invariably far outpace their limited economic means, full stop. Above all, the slogan of higher living standard has made people over crazy about it, full stop. Economic development has unleashed sociological forces which have tended to weaken the moral fiber of the nation, full stop. People are made to pursue their material aspirations and have them fulfilled at any cost, full stop. There is a maddening race all round which is the result of the hot pursuit of economic growth, full stop. New para growth values have eclipsed more values, which used to be the pride of an individual in the past, full stop. The yardstick to determine the worth of an individual no longer runs in terms of moral excellence, but in terms of the riches he possesses and the influence he wields in a society, submission with utilitarianism, full stop. The dark lengthening socio-economic shadows loom large over the education firmament, and the classical sense of the teacher's devotion to learning and knowledge, is least observable in the present scheme of things, full stop. I must say that even now there is a sufficient number of teachers who are heroically fighting against the darkening forces to keep the torch of learning and knowledge alive, though this activity has comparative disadvantage in a society, that only lives for materiality, full stop. New para. Besides, society suffers from polarization, since all the sanctions are posed against one another, full stop. The parents blame the teachers, the latter put the onus of blame on the parents, so that no one accepts the responsibility of the cumulative downhill march, full stop. The downyard rolling action has started, and such individual in sheer desperation looks to the other, holding him responsible for the phenomenon, full stop.